Hello everyone! Brichem habuem zurück. So, Yiddish, a language that was based off Old West German over 1,000 years ago. The language has changed tremendously over time, but how much Yiddish in essence is still German? Before I began learning German at the age of 17, I could already understand quite a bit of it by picking out words and phrases that I already knew from Yiddish, and I've been told that Germans could pick up what I'm saying in Yiddish as well. Today, I will be answering the question, how similar are Yiddish and German really? By a Yiddish and German speaker. Here we go! First, let's take a look at some basic phrases. Guten Tag. Agitten. Wie heißt du? Wieso heißt die? Pretty alike so far, but not much more alike than any other two Germanic languages. Let's take a look at common verbs. Zu gehen, sie gehen, zu lachen, sie lachen, zu gehören, sie gehören. You'd think they're practically the same, but then how did these verbs come into use in Yiddish, shying away from standard German? Zu denken, sie trachten, zu mögen, sie lecken, zu lesen, sie lernen, as well as some verbs that just change their meaning. Zu dürfen, to be allowed. Sie dürfen, to need. Let's take a look at a passage with identical meanings in the two languages and compare. Rotkäppchen wohnt bei ihrer Mutter. Kleine rote Kappe wohnt mit ihrer Mutter. An einem Morgen gibt die Mutter Rotkäppchen einen Korb. Einmal früh gibt die Mutter Kleine rote Kappe a Korb. While the word morgen isn't unheard in Yiddish, it's not used in such a way. Morgen in Yiddish means tomorrow, while in German it means tomorrow and morning. The Yiddish word for morning is zefri. Although we greet each other Git Morgen, just as the German Guten Morgen. In dem Korb ist Wein und Kuchen. In dem Korb ist du Wein und Kuchen. Dann sagt die Mutter zu Rotkäppchen, bring den Korb zur Großmutter. Damals hat die Mutter gesagt zu kleine rote Kappe, nimm den Korb zu Babi. Bring is a verb that exists in Yiddish just as it does in German and English. But, like in English, the more grammatically correct way of forming the sentence would not be bring it to her, but rather nimm, take it to her. Großmutter is the German word for grandmother, while in Yiddish we say Baba, or for short, Babi. Und grüß die Großmutter lieb von mir. Und schick Babi a Gruß von mir. Die Großmutter ist krank. Babi ist krank. Die Großmutter soll wieder zu Kräften kommen. Babi soll ihre Keuch zurückbekommen. This sentence is entirely different in the two languages, mainly because the word used for energy in Yiddish is koach. This comes from Hebrew and is more commonly used than Kraft. Und schnell gesund werden. In schnell gesinnt werden. Also beeil dich, aber bleib auf dem Weg. Eil dich, aber bleib auf dem Weg. Und pass gut auf die Dinge im Korb auf. Und gib gut Acht auf die Sachen in dem Korb. In German, passen is to watch over, while in Yiddish we'd say geben Achtung. Rotkäppchen antwortet. Kleine rote Kappe entfit. Liebe Mutter, ich bleibe auf dem Weg und ich beeile mich. Liebe Mutter, ich bleib auf dem Weg und ich eil mich. Quite similar, we have the word zu antworten in German, meaning to answer, while in Yiddish it's sie entferen. Das verspreche ich dir. Das sag ich sie. Versprechen, to promise. Sie sagen. Ich verspreche. Ich sag sie. From my experience, I draw the conclusion that the major differences between the two are A. The many foreign words in Yiddish, B. Grammatical changes, and C. A different accent on words that already are the same. But all in all, it is in fact detectable that they are closely related. Yiddish speakers, how much of the German did you understand? And German speakers, how many of the Yiddish words were familiar? Let me know in the comments below. And as usual, Tag für die Dag, Lehitraot, Tschüss and Auf Wiedersehen!